If you've got lots of pictures to share on your Instagram stories, this app can help you lay them out with style. Here's how to get to it. To start, open your Instagram app, and then tap on your profile icon at the top left to start creating a new story post. Once Instagram's camera loads, tap on the layout icon on the left menu. Tap on the icon that appears underneath it to select one of the given layout. You'll see your camera feed show in one of the photo squares. Take a photo to fill it, or select one from your gallery by tapping on the icon at the bottom left. Once you've filled up the frame, tap the check mark to set your layout, and your story will be ready for further editing. If you're not satisfied with any of the layouts offered, you can download and install Layout from Instagram through the link in the description below. Once it's ready, start it up, and you should see your gallery displayed. Select up to 9 photos, then scroll through the layouts from the row above. Once you see a layout that you like, just tap on it to begin editing. To shuffle the pictures around, just tap and hold the picture you want to move, then drag it to where you want it to be. To zoom in or out on a picture, just tap on the picture, then pinch to zoom out and spread to zoom in. You can also tap, hold, and drag a picture to adjust what's seen in the frame. You'll find more options to edit individual photos on the tiles below the preview. Once you're satisfied, tap Save. You'll be given the option to post your collage on Instagram, Facebook, or another app. To share your work on Instagram, tap on the Instagram logo, then follow through the prompts. If you want to share your collage later instead, just tap Done at the top right to save it as a single photo for you to post whenever you feel like. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.